squirrel, dude. What is up, YouTube? My name is Brandon Rogers. This channel is called Chili Dog Motorsports, and we are in my driveway with the Sportster today, and I am super excited to announce we're building a chopper. That's right. We're going to build this thing. We're going to do a bunch of crazy fun stuff to it. I'm super excited about it. And this is our stock-ish 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH883, or better known as the Evo Sportster. We're going to do a hardtail, wheels, and tires. We're going to do handlebars. We'll be doing a Frisco mounted tank. We got some big old long boy fork tubes. We got some super skinny triple trees. We're going to do a custom tall boy seat. We're going to do various odds and ends like custom headlights, custom tail lights, throttle assemblies and clutch perches, and so much more. So if you want to see how to take a fairly stock running Sportster and make it not that, well, the stock part. Hopefully it stays running. We're going to hope it stays running when we're done with this thing. I am super excited about this. I've wanted to tear into this bike and do this since I got it, but I couldn't. Now we can. So follow along. We're going to do a whole series about this. If you're familiar with the channel, you know we did it with the Grom clone. We're going to go step by step, show you how to do it in the easiest way possible. We're going to link everything we use down below. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep an eye out for new episodes. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Now I think it's time for you to get out of my driveway. Go on and get out of here. You're still there. This is awkward for both of us. Just go. I can't go till you go.